All right, guys, I am here to help you create a report, to laugh at my dialect, laugh at my mistakes, but hopefully can help you guys do some inventory. So we're gonna go here, parts, custom reports, parts inventory. From here, you wanna create a new report. On your left side, this is where you put everything. Here where my mouse is, you double click in here to put it over on this side. All right, so what I like to do is part number first. It's all in numerical order, and you gotta be able to read without dyslexia. It does help a lot. Part number, double click to put it over. Description. I like to, here you can put on order, which you kind of rearrange these how you like to do. On order, how many of the dealers have on order, so you're not duplicating anything. Then I like to create a line. This is where you can write in whatever you want. Then we're gonna go 12 months of sales, or sales last 12 months. I'm looking for it. Quantity sold last 12 months, double click that. And then on hand quantity. All right, so this is pretty much the layout that I like. So, but you go over here, you can shrink this. Part numbers usually don't need to be that big. Description, that's probably about right. On order, you can go here, you click in this box to adjust or change your text of what you want to call it. Then order, this is what I like to just, you're going to have a line here. I just like to, this is what I like to put order. And this can be shrunk up a whole, this can be shrunk up a whole lot. Quantity sold, this is 12 months. Actually, I like to have the on hand here. So you don't really need to have on hand quantity. This is just for your viewing. On hand. And 12 months. And that sets up the first portion of how this report is going to be laid out. All right, I'm going to create a video for the next one. All right, video 2. This is how we're going to filter things out. So your filter section is down here. Look in here. So it automatically says filter all meets all the following criteria in this. So to get a filter option to put something in here, you click here. It says add filter. So what I want to do from here, I double click in this box, okay? So I want to do supplier, because we're only going to be pulled from Western or whatever you want to do in there. So it's supplier code. Is equal to, because you want to do this equal to, and then you can leave that blank and click the prompt here. So every time you run the report, it will give you the option to put our supplier code, Tucker's, Parts Unlimited, whatever. So prompt that. So every time you run this report, it will give you an option to click to figure out what vendor you wanted to use. All right, so that's good. We got this line set up. Next one, and I like to do is last sold date. Double click on that, is equal. You don't want equal to. I like to do is between. Then you'll have a date range. And do not fill the dates out, because if you fill it in here, it's going to come up with the same date every time. So you want to prompt this as well. So every time you run this report, I usually run it for 2 weeks back to a month back or 2 months back, depending on the dealer. And then save it. You could just do WP and OK. And let's run this thing. All right, so you run it down here. Report name, WPS test. Wait, I'm gonna make another video for the running. Okay, now we're gonna run this report. Something you need to know. All right, so you run. I just ran this a little bit ago and I screwed up, so you did not get that video. Supplier code is equal to WP. This is case sensitive, so make sure you have capital W, capital P, all right? Or TR or PU or whatever. So last sold date, we're gonna go back to June 1st to today, next, and then finish. And here's the sales for the last almost, what, a week? Now this dealer just got Lightspeed about a month ago, and all the part numbers are not transferring over, but that's your report. If you got any questions, call Darby. I gave him a lot of information. All right, final video. Now that this report is run, sometimes what I like to do, since I carry a tablet around with me, I will email this to myself from the dealer's email, which they usually don't care. So I can email this PDF, and then I can manipulate it on whatever PDF program I'm using. So you email, it'll generate this, send it to yourself. If you don't know your own email address, that's your own problem, and you should probably find another job. Also, what you can do when you're running this report, I'm gonna go here, put my WP, sales date, here and today's date. The next, you can also create an Excel file through here, which is very, I've done that before, but a lot of dealers don't have Excel, so it really makes it messy. So on your layout, I forgot to tell you guys this. If you wanted to sort it by part number, this is how you sort it. You click in this blue box, highest number first, lowest number. I like to go by my 12 months of sales, highest first and down. If that makes sense. And when you run this now, it will be sorted by your 12 months, or you can sort it on your own hand or on order, however many you wanted to run. Anyway, guys, I hope this helped you. See ya.